Day say kids.
Sentence making. Making sentences using the given English words. Pretty. Her dress looked really pretty. Needle. I could not find a needle in the sewing kit. Leaves. I found pale green leaves in the garden. Gold. My mother gifted me a gold ring on my birthday. Stole. She stole a lot of money from my bag. Chat. I was chatting on Facebook with my friend. String. The clothes were hanging on the string. Target. He was our target in the match. Defending. My mother was defending my younger brother from my father. Amazement. She shook her head in amazement. Scamper. The cat scampered after seeing the mouse. Hurried. My grandparents hurried to the hospital. Popped. My teacher popped in the class. Disappeared. The tiger disappeared into the trees. Dearly. He loved his mother dearly. Illness. My aunt is dealing with mental illness. Agreed. We agreed on the date for the reunion. Important. English is a very important subject. Clean. It is necessary to keep our city clean. Health. My mother prayed for my health. Ice cream. The ice cream parlor was closed on Monday. Mood. I was not in a mood to talk to my sister. Refused. He refused to come at my party. Intelligent. The girl standing in the middle is very intelligent. Player. It was difficult to control the player.
Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.